Yeah, how do you guys deal with stress? When you're stressing out, what do you do? How do you relieve that stress? Like, if something is just daunting on you every day when you wake up in the morning, what do you do about that? People always say don't stress, but it's not like I wake up in the morning and I say, okay, today I'm gonna stress. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Nayoka, and I'm just out here enjoying the beautiful weather. See, my windows are rolled down, the breeze is blowing nice, the sun is shining bright. I got my shades on. Ooh, so bright. I got my shades on, and I'm just here reflecting. Like, the semester is almost over. Like, the first semester is almost over. You can feel the spring coming in, and I'm just reflecting on so far how it's been for the year. It's March, and it's been a good year so far. I would say much more productive than last year, much more like eye-opening. I don't know if this thing comes with the age or what, but it's like my eyes are now open to things that it's never been open to before. Like, I'm more stressed out in a way where in a sense of I'm more stressed out because I am more goal oriented. If you get what I'm saying. Like, before, yes, I was just living my life, going with whatever breeze was blowing. But now it's like, I don't know if it comes with the age or what, but it's like now, as I get older, it's like I start focusing on more things that I never really focused on before. Like, I need things to get done. I need to get things done. I need to do this. I need to do that. I need this. I have a checklist. We need to check things off. Like, stuff like that. You know? So, man, I just wanted to check in and say hello to you guys. Nothing too much today. I don't really have anything specific to talk about. I was just sitting here reflecting and, reasoning with God and to see where things will go. And I was about to go live, but then I was like, if I go live, I don't know if people are gonna join my live, and then I don't want to get nervous, and I need to just get over that live thing. I could just pick up my phone and said, I'm gonna go live now, and I don't feel any type of way about it. I'll get there. But one of the things I'm meditating on is, how you guys tell me, how do you guys deal with your stress? Whenever you're stressed out, how do you deal with stress? And I like when you guys see my eyes when I'm talking, because that gives you a more, nicer vibe. But guys, the sun is very hot, so I cannot. Somebody said I am always saying can't, but isn't it CANT? I guess it's can't. Okay, I'm gonna start saying can't, but I can't. I can't. I can't. Oh gosh, I even forgot what I was saying. Yeah, I can't. I sound like a typical Jamaican when I say I can't. But anyway, I can't I can't talk to you guys without the shades, because I needed to block out that extra sun that's coming in, and I need that nice lighting. But yeah, how do you guys deal with stress? When you're stressing out, what do you do? How do you relieve that stress? Like, if something is just daunting on you every day when you wake up in the morning, what do you do about that? People always say don't stress, but it's not like I wake up in the morning and I say, okay, today I'm gonna stress. I don't do that. The stress just come automatically. You start thinking about stuff that are not really going on right in your life, and then you start stressing. So how do you deal with that? people always say don't stress, but how do you tell yourself that I'm not gonna stress today? What do you do to overcome that stress? I feel like this is gonna be what the video is gonna be about today, because my question to you guys is, how do you deal with stress? I don't know. I just try to think of the happy things that's going on in my life, and I just try to think positive, and then I try to get myself out of that bad mood. Sometimes I might just break down and just cry, and then when I'm done crying, I feel a little bit better, but for the moment. But then when I wake up tomorrow, it's stress again. So maybe I don't know how to deal with it the right way. So how do you guys deal with it? How do you guys deal with it? That's my question to you. How do you deal with stress? How do you manage stress? How do you not stress? That's my question today. Because look like I'm not doing it the right way, or look like I don't know what to do. So maybe you guys can help me with that. You know, living in a country where as immigrants, it's very hard, because you don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. You don't know what's gonna happen in the next month. You don't know what's gonna happen. So it's like you're living your life on the edge. And I feel like that's what's stressing me out, because I'm living my life on edge. That's it. And when I pick up the camera, I want to come with good vibes. I want to come with happiness. I want to come with entertainment. But so it's like for my creative juices to flow, it's like I have to have everything smooth sailing on a boat ride. But every day is not smooth sailing on a boat ride. So, but I still need to put out content, because I have a goal and I want to get monetized. So I guess you guys just have to get some of these videos where, as I said, this channel is about my personal life through Canada, and it's not always smiles every day. Sometimes I have to come on here and just let you guys know that, yo guys, stress a leak. You see me? And me no want it lick the chip. Me no want it lick my chip. So that's the reason why I'm even coming on here reasoning with you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about stress, or how you handle your stress, what you do, how you do it. You talk to somebody, you don't talk to somebody, you keep it to yourself, you make it eat you up. What do you do? Because me now go sit down here and let it lick my chip. It not go lick my chip. It not go lick my chip. Me not get no pitney yet, so it not go lick my chip. And you guys know when I get to this patwa thing, that's when I'm really reasoning with y'all. Anyway guys, all I want you to do is just comment down below, tell me how you handle your stress, and let me see if I can maybe apply some of that to my life and see if it work, and I'll let you guys know if it work or not. Check you guys later. Bye.